Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're making my own version of homemade Rice A Roni with a delicious bacon twist. If you grew up with this, you know it's pure nostalgia. Back when life was simple and we didn't have a single care in the world. This ultimate comfort food is super easy to make from scratch, and trust me, it tastes way better than the boxed stuff. Let's get cooking! Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of white rice, 1 cup of chopped sweet peppers and bell pepper, and 1 cup of diced red onion. We'll also use about 300 grams of bacon, 2 cups of pre-cooked chicken, 1 liter of chicken broth, and 1 cup of broken vermicelli pasta. Simple, fresh ingredients for maximum flavor. Now, let's just start prepping. Switching to the Bistro Cam, let me show you how to break the vermicelli pasta. Honestly, this part is pretty therapeutic. All you have to do is break them into small pieces, roughly about half an inch or 1 centimeter long, depending on where you're watching from. We're using vermicelli because it's the closest thing to traditional fidio noodles, but if you can find actual fidios near you, even better. Let's turn on the heat. And the very first thing going into our pot is the bacon. What we want to do here is not only brown it until it's nicely crisp, but more importantly, render out all that amazing bacon fat. That liquid gold is going to be the flavor foundation for our entire dish. And yes, I added a tiny bit of pork lard just to speed up the cooking process. Without removing the bacon, we're going to toss in our diced red onion, along with the sweet peppers and bell pepper mixture. Keep stirring over medium heat. We want these vegetables to release their natural juices and start to caramelize right in that bacon fat. Once you hear that classic sizzle of a rich sofrito, add in the pre-cooked chicken. Keep stirring constantly for about 10 minutes, so all those delicious flavors combine. Now, quick reminder, my friends. Cooking on an electric stove is very different from gas or firewood. Timestamps are great guides, but your intuition is key. If you see things starting to stick, adjust your heat and keep stirring. Love what you cook and stay present in the process. After 10 minutes, remove this mixture from the pot and set it aside for later. Now take that mix out, but keep the pot right on the heat. And no, this pot isn't dirty, it's packed with pure flavor. That's what chefs call the fond. In another video, I'll show you how to make a classic demi-glaze to turn those delicious pan drippings into an incredible sauce. Add a splash of olive oil or butter if you prefer, and toss in your broken vermicelli. Keep stirring constantly over medium-low heat so the pasta toasts evenly without burning. Toast it to your liking. Personally, I like a gentle golden toast. Once it reaches that sweet spot, pour in the white rice and keep stirring. Keep your eye on that pot, my friends. After about 5 minutes of toasting, add our cooked bacon, chicken, and vegetable mixture back into the pot. Give it a good stir while it's still dry for a couple of minutes so the rice absorbs all those seasonings and fats. Now, pour in the chicken broth. Stir well to combine all ingredients, scraping up any delicious bits stuck to the bottom of the pot. This step is totally optional, but if you have it, add a pinch of ground saffron for a gorgeous golden color. Give it one last stir, lower the heat to medium, and let the magic happen. Just keep an eye on it as it simmers. You'll know you're close when you see little bubbles popping over a nearly dry surface. Give it a quick taste to check the grains. We're about 2 minutes away. Once the bubbles disappear, turn off the heat, move the pot, and cover for 10 minutes. Time to serve. Look at this beauty. It looks and smells absolutely incredible. I'm just going to garnish it with a little bit of fresh green onion for color. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. If you want to master how to keep your rice or pasta from sticking ever again, check out the video links right here on screen. See you in the next one. Ciao.